Now I am going to discuss your next chapter, chapter number 5, admission of new partner. This is the most important chapter from the examination point of view. A question always comes from this chapter for 8 marks. So it has to be read very well. So start. So first of all, what is the admission of a partner? Admission of a new partner is the inclusion of a new partner as an associate or partner to an existing enterprise is known as an admission of a partner. First of all, why does the old partnership require a new partner? If the old partners need capital or goodwill or knowledge of business, that's why they give permission to admit new partner for capital, for goodwill, for knowledge of business. Next is what changes in the business as the new partner comes into business. So let's start now. Effect of admission of new partner. Admission of a new partner is a major event in the partnership business. A new admission can take place only with the unanimous consent of all the existing partners. Now partners are admitted for several reasons: additional capital, contribution, fresh ideas, for contact, etc. are some of the advantages in admitting the new partner. Following are the most important accounting aspects considered at the time of admission of new partner. First is change in profit sharing ratio, second is statement of goodwill, third is revaluation, fourth is partner's capital, fifth is cash account, and sixth is balance sheet. So first topic is change in profit sharing ratio. What is change in profit sharing ratio? The ratio changes first by coming to a partner. So first case is when only the ratio of new partner given. In this case, in the absence of any other agreement, it is presumed that the old partners will continue to share the remaining profit in the same ratio in which they were sharing before the admission of a new partner. See here one example. X, Y and Z are partners in proportion of 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6 respectively. P was admitted in the firm as a new partner with 1 by 6. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of the partner. In this question, there is no information given about the how much sacrifice share by X, how much sacrifice share by Y, how much sacrifice share by Z. So, see solutions. First of all, let total profit sharing ratio be 1. Let total profit sharing ratio be 1. And first of all, give share given to P 1 by 6, remaining share is 1 minus 1 by 6, remaining share is 5 by 6. Now the old partners will share this remaining profit in their old profit sharing ratio. So their old profit share ratio 3 by 6, 2 by 6 and 1 by 6. So see here remaining share distribute in their old profit sharing ratio. So X new share is 3 by 6 into 5 by 6, 5 by 12, and Y new share is 2 by 6 into 5 by 6, 5 by 18, and Z new share is 1 by 6 into 5 by 6, 5 by 36. Thus, new profit sharing ratio will be 5 by 12, 5 by 18, 5 by 36, 1 by 6. So, equalize all the denominators as 36. So, 15 by 36, 10 by 36, 5 by 36, 6 by 36 means all numerators are the ratio 15 is to 10 is to 5 is to 6. This is the new profit sharing ratio. And next case is when new partners purchase his share of profit from the old partners equally. In such case, the new profit sharing ratio of the old partners can be calculated by deducting the sacrificing made by them from their existing share of profit. See example. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. They admit C as a new partners for 1/6 year, which he acquire equally from A and B. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partner. First of all, share profit given to C 1 by 6 and share acquired by A 1 by 2 equally from old partners. That means 1 by 2 of 1 by 6. Same as by B, 1 by 2 of 1 by 6 sacrificed by A and B, 1 by 12 by A and 1 by 12 by B. So after ascertaining the sacrificing share, find new share. Therefore, A's new share is, new share means old share minus sacrificing share. So A old share is 7 by 12 and their sacrificing share is 1 by 12. So their new share is 6 by 12. Same as B. B's old share is 5 by 12, sacrificing share is 1 by 12 and their new share is, after deducting 1 by 12, their new share is 4 by 12 and C is a new partners, so their share is 1 by 6. Hence, new profit sharing ratio will be 6 by 12, 4 by 12, 1 by 6. So we can see here 3 by 3 is to 2 is to 1. New case. When new partner purchases his share from the old partners in a particular ratio. In this case, the new profit sharing ratio of the old partners will be ascertained after deducting the sacrificing made by them from their existing share profit. See example. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 7:5. Z is admitted on 1/6 share, which it takes 124 from X and 1 by 8 from Y. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. 1 by 24 from X, 1 by 8 from Y. X old share is 7 by 12, out of which he surrender 124 in favor of Z. Therefore, X new share is 7 by 12 minus 1 by 24. Same as Y. Y old share is 5 by 12, out of which he surrender 1 by 8 in favor of Z. Therefore, Y's new share is 5 by 12 minus 1 by 8 is equal to 7 by 24. So Z is a new partner, so their share is 1 by 6, hence equalize their all denominators. So new ratio is 13 is to 7 is to 4. And next topic is when old partners surrender a particular fraction in their share in favor of new partners. In such case, the new partner's shares is calculated by adding the surrendered portion of share by given the old partners. Example, P and Q are partners in a firm sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. A new partner R is admitted. P surrender 1 by 5th of his share in favor of R and Q surrender 2 by 5th of his share in favor of R. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. First of all, P's old share is 3 by 5. P surrender 1 by 5th of 3 by 5 in favor of R. So 1 by 5th into 3 by 5, that means he surrender total 3 by 25. Same as Q old share is 2 by 5 and Q surrendered 2 by 5th of 2 by 5 in favor of R. That's why 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. So their share is 4 by 25. P's new share after surrendered 325 in favor of R is equal to 3 by 5 minus 3 by 25. So is equal to 12 by 25. And Q's new share is same as 2 by 5 minus 4 by 25 and their new share is 6 by 25. R share is the total of 325 from P and 425 from Q. So 325 plus 425. So our share is 7 by 25. Therefore, new profit ratio will be 12 by 25, 6 by 25, 7 by 25. So new ratio is 12 is to 6 is to 7. Thank you. I will discuss new topic, treatment of goodwill, in our next video.